Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you how to make the tiara bracelet. So let's get started. Okay, so these are the colors I'll be using, and this is the main color, the fluorescent yellow. And as you can see in this, the orange colored ones are the main colors, while the others are the multicolored ones. For starting with, we'll need the Loom, and take your main color and cross it over the Loom. Now take your first color, mine is pink, and place it over the yellow, and take another one of your main color. Now take the bottom yellow, fluorescent yellow, and put it to the center. Now push the pink down and take another one. You have to place this right in between both of them. Now take the fluorescent yellow and place it onto the other side of the Loom, and take the bottom pink one and place it in the center. Get this back. Do the same for the other side. Place it onto this side and just get the bottom one to the center. Now get this one back to its place. Now all you have to do is get the pinks to the center. Push it down and start with your second color. Mine's a blue. After this, take another main color and do the same we did for the pink. First the yellows, then push the blue down and get another blue and put it right in the middle. Now get the fluorescent yellow to one side and take the bottom blue and put it in the center. Get this one back. And now do the same for the other side. The bottom blue to the center and yellow back to its place. Now get the blues to the center. And now we're done with two of them, blue and pink. Okay, so now I'm done with pretty much a lot, and I have just 4 more left to do. Right now I am doing the purple. Let's go on the yellow and put them to the middle. Push it down, get another purple right in the middle. Get the yellows to one side, get the bottom purple to the middle, back to its place, and the same for the other side. And we're done with the purple. Okay, so now we'll be adding the S clips. For that we need to move both the fluorescent yellows to one side of the Y loom. Try to get it together and then hook them into the S clip. Now take it off the side and take the other side of your bracelet and take the last two of the main colors and hook it onto the other side of the S clip. And now it's ready. So this is how our tiara bracelet will look like. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give this video a like, and if you want more videos like this, don't forget to click the subscribe button below. Bye bye. See you in my next video.